everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've teamed up with bestpartiesever.com to create this tutorial because I'm so excited about the new venues that they've just opened up in Dublin and Belfast. Absolutely beautiful locations for parties. I based this look on the Masquerade theme. I really liked it and fell in love with it, and I really hope you enjoy this look as well. Don't forget to check out their amazing website. I'm actually really excited about this, and I'm like so hyped to go to a Masquerade ball right now. So does anyone want to come? Let's do this. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you're interested, then just keep watching. So to begin, I'm taking this matte vanilla shade on a blending brush, and I'm just blending this back and forth as a base on my lid. Then I'm taking this warmer matte orange shade on a blending brush, and I'm blending this back and forth across my crease but right above my eyeball, and just kind of gradually blending it out until it fades out naturally. Then I'm taking a warmer brown and a darker brown on a gold hair blending brush this time, and I'm blending it into my crease, a little lower down, like right into the crease of my eyeball, and then also all over my lid. Then I'm going in with just the darker brown on a synthetic brush, and I'm packing this on to get that smoky effect on the lid. And then I'm going back in again with my gold hair blending brush, and just with no additional product, and just blending out what's left in the crease to make it really natural and smoky. Taking a pencil brush, I'm taking the same shades and just blending them across my lower lash line. And now I'm going in with another synthetic brush and this gorgeous pigment that I found in my collection, and I just packed this on top to give that gorgeous kind of shimmer on the lid. And then I finished off with a bit of mascara, and of course lashes. These lashes are amazing. I'm going to link them in the description box. They're only €1. Moving on to the face, I'm going in with my gorgeous Blank Canvas Cosmetics palette, and I always go back to this, and I've had it for donkey's years, and I always find myself going back to it. Beautiful shades of contour, bronzer, and also highlight shades as well, and I love it. So taking an angled synthetic brush, I'm going to contour, and then I'm going to go in with the highlighter shade on another synthetic brush, and I'm just going to brighten up under my eyes and then also underneath the contour as well, just to clean it up and make it a bit more defined. For the face, I'm using the Nikki Tutorials palette, and I'm using this bright pink blush, and I'm just going to put this on the apples of my cheek, blending it out towards the top of my ear and finishing off with a gorgeous bit of shimmer on those cheekbones. And this is the Becca Cosmetics highlighter. Gorgeous. Have to put a little bit of highlight as well, just on my brow bone, just to make it pop. And then I'm just going to finish off with a flesh toned liner in the waterline to brighten up my eyes. For lips, I'm just using a red liner. I think this is just a cheap one from Essence or Pennies, and I'm just outlining my lips because I like to overdraw them a little bit. For lipsticks, I'm using two beautiful shades from my own matte lipstick collection. I'm going in with Unbreakable first, which is a gorgeous deep dark cool toned red, and I'm going to focus this mostly on the outer corners because I'm going to do an ombre lip with this. So I'm going to focus mostly on the outer corners, but I am going to fill out the whole lip. And then I'm going to go in with Roar, which is a more lighter, warm, bright red. And I'm just going to pop this right in the center, and taking my ring finger, I'm just going to pat it out to create an ombre lip. And it also makes your lips appear fuller and poutier as well, which I absolutely adore. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out the description box for all info, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!